Did you know a single engineer stole secrets worth $400 million with just a few mouse clicks? In February 2006, Korean engineer Young-Ho Chang sat at his DuPont workstation for the last time. But instead of packing his desk, he was downloading 16,000 confidential files. Chang had spent years as a research scientist, learning DuPont's most valuable secrets about titanium dioxide production. This white powder might sound boring, but it's in everything from paint to toothpaste. Days later, he joined a Chinese competitor, bringing those stolen manufacturing processes with him. For months, he had carefully copied customer lists and proprietary formulas. The FBI eventually caught him, but the damage was done. Chinese state-owned companies had already benefited from America's industrial secrets. In 2014, Chang pleaded guilty and received 5 years in prison. His case revealed how trade secret theft costs American companies billions every year. One man's betrayal had handed China a technological advantage worth hundreds of millions. Corporate espionage had never felt so personal.